I don't know why he's screaming either. So, let me show you why animals are actually crazy, but spectacular, with 50 facts about 50 animals. Let's start with the number 1. There's a jellyfish that never dies. The Turritopsis dohrnii can literally reverse its aging process and start life over again. It's basically immortal. Nature cracked the secret to eternal youth, and it gave it to a jellyfish. Number 2 is the hog choker fish. It was named because farmers thought pigs would choke on it. This weird flat fish is so thin and slippery that it was literally thrown to pigs. Don't worry, they didn't actually choke. Number 3 is about sharks. They existed long before trees. These ancient predators have been swimming around for 400 million years. Number 4, a tarantula can survive without food for 2 years. While you're struggling to skip a meal, this spider is just casually fasting for 24 months like it's nothing. Number 5, octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. 2 hearts pump blood to their gills, 1 pumps it to the rest of the body. When they swim, the main heart stops. So technically, they die a little every time they move. Number 6, a snake's head can still bite hours after being cut off. Even completely detached, the nerves are still active and can deliver a deadly bite. And their skin? It's covered in specialized scales that help them grip surfaces and move silently. Basically, built-in ninja gear. Number 7 is about axolotls, who can regenerate their limbs, heart, and even parts of their brain. Imagine losing an arm and just growing it back like it's no big deal. Axolotls do this on repeat. Number 8, a blue whale's heart is the size of a small car. It beats so powerfully that you could hear it from 2 miles away underwater. Number 9, butterflies can drink blood. While they usually sip on nectar, some species, like the calico butterfly, will drink blood if they find it. Number 10, koalas have fingerprints almost identical to humans. In fact, they're so similar they've confused crime scene investigators before. Number 11, a starfish can regrow a lost arm, and that arm can regrow a whole new starfish. Basically, they are nature's cloning experts. And fun fact, they have tube feet. They help them move, stick to surfaces, and grab prey. Number 12, a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. And if you've seen them strut around in their bright pink glory, you know why. Number 13, male giraffes taste female urine to see if they're ready to mate. Not exactly romantic, but hey, it works for them. Number 14, dolphins have been known to save humans from sharks. Whether it's curiosity or hero instincts, they'll often circle and protect swimmers. Number 15, crows can remember faces and hold grudges. If you mess with them, they might stalk you or alert their friends to avoid you. Number 16, horses can't breathe through their mouths. They can only breathe through their noses, which is why blocked nostrils can be dangerous for them. Number 17, bees can detect bombs with their sense of smell. Trained bees have been used to sniff out explosives like tiny flying security guards. Number 18, polar bears have black skin under their fur. Their transparent fur reflects light, making them appear white, but their skin is jet black to absorb heat. Number 19, goats have rectangular pupils. This gives them a 320-degree field of vision, meaning they can see almost everything around them without turning their heads. Number 20, octopuses can taste with their tentacles. Each sucker is loaded with thousands of chemical sensors that can taste whatever they touch. Number 21, a sloth's metabolism is so slow that it can take up to a month to digest a single meal. Talk about extreme food comas. Number 22, cuttlefish can hypnotize their prey. They flash mesmerizing color patterns to dazzle and confuse their target before striking. Number 23, a woodpecker's tongue wraps around its brain. It acts as a cushion to protect their brain while they hammer away at trees. Number 24, caterpillars completely liquefy inside their cocoons. They dissolve into a gooey mess before emerging as butterflies. Number 25, a leopard's spots are unique, just like human fingerprints. No 2 leopards have the same spot pattern. Number 26, sea cucumbers can eject their internal organs to defend themselves. Number 27, barn owls can hear a mouse's heartbeat from 10 feet away. They're expert hunters, even in total darkness. Number 28, a chameleon's tongue can extend twice the length of its body. It can shoot out to catch prey in less than a second. Number 29, A group of jellyfish is called a smack. And if you've been stung by one, you know it fits. Number 30, a kangaroo can't walk backward. Its muscular tail and large legs make it physically impossible to move in reverse. Number 31, mudskipper fish can walk on land and breathe through their skin. These fish are like amphibians. They use their pectoral fins to walk, but they need to stay moist. Number 32, the glass frog has transparent skin. You can literally see its internal organs, including its beating heart. Number 33, bald eagles lock talons midair and free fall during mating displays. It's a death-defying courtship dive, but they usually break off before hitting the ground. Number 34, vampire bats share blood meals with friends. If a bat misses a night of feeding, a friend will regurgitate blood to help them survive. Number 35, the electric eel can produce shocks up to 600 volts. That's enough to stun prey, or give you a serious jolt if you get too close. Number 36, manatees regulate their buoyancy by farting. They use their flatulence to help control whether they float or sink. Number 37, giant pandas have 6 fingers. Their extra thumb is actually an elongated wrist bone that helps them grab bamboo. Number 38, lobsters taste with their legs. Their taste sensors are located in their feet, allowing them to taste the ocean floor as they walk. Number 39, pufferfish inflate themselves as a defense mechanism. But they're not just full of air, they also fill with water to appear larger. Number 40, anteaters have tongues that can extend up to 2 feet. Their sticky tongues are perfect for slurping up thousands of ants in minutes. Number 41, sea turtles can live for over 100 years. The oldest recorded sea turtle was 190 years old. Number 42, the black panther isn't a species. It's actually a melanistic leopard or jaguar, meaning it has a genetic mutation that gives it a black coat. If you look closely, you can still see its rosette spots. Number 43, the cassowary is the most dangerous bird on Earth. It has dagger-like claws that can disembowel predators, or unlucky humans if provoked. Number 44, tigers have antiseptic saliva. They lick their wounds to help prevent infection. Number 45, the common garden snail has 14,000 teeth. These tiny teeth are located on a ribbon-like tongue called a radula, which they use to scrape food. Number 46, sharks don't have bones. Their skeletons are made of cartilage, making them more flexible and buoyant. Number 48, alpacas hum to communicate with each other. Their gentle humming is used to express curiosity, stress, or even affection. Number 49, male seahorses are the ones that give birth. After the female transfers her eggs into the male's pouch, he carries and delivers up to 2,000 babies at once. Number 50, the comb jellyfish isn't actually a jellyfish. It predates dinosaurs and glows in the dark. Instead of stinging, it uses tiny hair-like combs to swim and refracts light, creating a rainbow glow as it moves. Some species are bioluminescent, lighting up the deep sea like nature's glow sticks. And that's it, 50 mind-blowing animal facts that make you realize nature is basically a real-life sci-fi movie. We've seen immortal creatures, glowing jellyfish, animals with ninja skills, and even deadly kicks from birds. If that doesn't make you appreciate how bizarre and spectacular the animal kingdom is, I don't know what will. Let me know in the comments which fact blew your mind the most, because I'm still thinking about some of them. And hey, if you're leaving this video with a new favorite animal or at least one weird fact to drop at your next party, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss the next round of crazy discoveries. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.